Hi everyone, just a quick update of what I've been working on recently. In January, we've created those two ribbons. We went through a couple issues that we might have when working with ribbons and how to solve those, and also some tips and tricks. And in February, we took one of those ribbons, created a spawner for it, solve a couple issues upon spawning. So for example, we don't have a harsh line there, and also upon impact we have a soft erosion without any pop effect. And also member requests that we actually attach ribbons to the weapons and use them as weapon trails. And I went through a couple examples, as you can see here, 2 different animations, and gave a couple tips and tricks how to work with ribbons as a weapon trail. And this is available for Tier 1 members on Patreon and also on 1mafx.com. It was the 2-part tutorial. I think each of the videos it's about 1 hour long, and you can access them either on Patreon or 1mafx.com. And now let's look into what I released for Tier 2 members. So I've been working on that course for a while, and I'm decided to release it for Tier 2 members. It's the course that I will be adding content to on monthly basis. I've got a couple of effects already here, some steam, some environmental effects, some spark from the cables, also as you can see some loot drops, fire in the distance on that crash site. Here I'm still working on that explosion. And on the February release, we're gonna dive into this project. We're gonna install it, making sure that we've got all the content, and then we're gonna tackle this drone thruster from scratch. I think there will be 7 lessons available for Tier 2 members, and the content will be released on monthly basis, where we'll be tackle the rest of the effects and also polishing the existing ones. All right, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and thank you so much for your support.